Hello and welcome to AD Productions. It is Monday, November 12th, and as you can see, snow is on the ground. And although it is still fall, the lake effect snow off of Lake Erie has found its way onto the Erie West subdivision. Here we see an eastbound CSX tanker train led by run-through BNSF Foreign Power. Now let's watch as this train passes our cameras at Fairplain Road in Lake City, Pennsylvania, at milepost 99.7 on the CSX Erie West subdivision. Moving to the other side of the tracks and the other side of the crossing, we see minutes later a westbound CSX intermodal train as it passes by the snowy tracks. Looking back to the west, we see one last eastbound intermodal train led by an ET44AH. This would be our last train on this beautiful Monday as the sun was beginning to set. Moving to Haggerty Street on the Norfolk Southern Lake Erie District, we now see NS 316 as it passes by on Thursday, November 15th. It is now Saturday, November 17th, and we are stationed at Dutch Road in Fairview, Pennsylvania. This is just to the west of the Control Point Swanville, at the west end of Swanville Siding on the Lake Erie district of Norfolk Southern. Now let's watch as eastbound high-priority intermodal train 22K passes with a rare, leased PRLX SD70 Mac, still wearing its Burlington Northern executive paint scheme. Moving to the parallel CSX Erie West sub, we now watch as westbound CSX intermodal train X157 passes by, with an AC44CW leading the way. Over the course of Saturday night and Sunday morning, the snow would melt most of the way, and it is now Wednesday, November 21st, 2018, and we are stationed in downtown Lake City. The Niger Mill is featured in the background of the tracks, and approaching us eastbound is CSX intermodal train Q004. Following right behind this train on track 1 would be Amtrak 48, the Lakeshore Limited, boasting an extra private car with a dome at the rear. As the last of 48 approaches QD 100, we thank you for watching AD Productions, and we hope you enjoyed this video. As always, happy rail fanning and train chasing, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving as we kick off the holiday season.